Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Philip Guéna. I am the owner of PMG Shipyard. And I would like to bring to you one of our trouble, one of my worries, which has been lasting for many years. Indeed, the 20,000 square meter of production of my shipyard made out of 8 units, each of them be over 1,500 square meter with a ceiling at 12 meter high, has been over the years a very, very appreciated place for pigeon meeting. And that became a real problem. We had pigeon everywhere. And where I stand today in front of you to talk to you, I am just below the very precise beam where all the pigeon will be standing and targeting us when we were having meeting underneath, and the situation was unbearable. So what did I do? Being Swiss, having done my military service for quite a few years, we started to shoot them. That was a great idea, with an important downside, that every time we shoot a pigeon or try to shoot it, we were making a hole in the roof. So at each rain, my unit would have water leak and the situation was not feasible anymore. Therefore, as a King fighter pilot myself, I decided to create our own Air Force. And today, it is my advantage and my privilege to introduce you to the PMG Special Air Force Airstrike 1. And I'm introducing you my 3 fighter. So now you have seen the picture from our Air Force strike, and I would like to tell you that the battle has been very fierce. It was on the pure line of the Battle of England. But I am happy to tell you that after 3 weeks of acharnement, morning and evening, the shipyard is absolutely clear of any pigeon. They all disappeared, and I think they went to pass on Agoda message that it was not anymore a place for pigeon. PMG Shipyard is a place for building boat, not for hosting dynasty of pigeon. Thank you. See you next time.